Factors of 30. Welcome to my channel Math and Me. This video we are going to solve some short question. Let's start. A. List all the factors of 30. So look, 1 into 30, 2 into 15 means 30, 3 into 10 means 30, 4 not possible, 5 into 6 means 30, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 9 not possible, 10, 15, 30. So that's enough. So factors of 30 equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, done. Number 2 or B, list the prime factors of 30. Prime, here is 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. That's enough. So answer is 2, 3, 5. Okay. Number C, write 30 as a product of its prime factors. So 30 we can divide by 2. 2 is a prime number, we get 15. In 15, 3 into 5, so 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5. This is a product of its prime factors. Okay, very easy way we solve our problem. Thank you very much.